Hello, Jonas. How's it? Morning. 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 I probably think, ooh, these oaks irritating us now. Morning. Okay, we're gonna go look for elephants now. Maybe it doesn't come charge us here. Photographing into the sun.
These are our two bulls.
Morning, boys.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. A little bit late for this introduction, but here we go. We've been working on the SLK. Sorry I've been away for a while, but we've had some issues. Again, like, subscribe, comment, donate, whatever. Enjoy the show, guys. Getting back to the SLK. So we haven't changed the springs or the shocks yet, but on the steering rack we have play in this joint, we have play in this joint, we have play in this joint, and we've got play in this joint. But now this car is old in South Africa, it doesn't have all the spares, so we're battling to get it. I took it off and used a 4-pound hammer and just some other tools and crimped these joints a little bit, and now there's less play. There's a shock that fits here, this one here, and it is completely, how do I do this with one hand? There's a shock and it is not doing anything. So we got a new shock to install. Here it is. No, wrong one. This one here. There it is. There's a new shock from Goldwagon. And you can see it uses a lot more force than that one. So let's get it installed and let's see if she performs much better. And new shock installed. Easy, 2 screws. Pops in, choppy chop. So let's get the wheels on and let's get her driving. Problem with the SLK, you can see this part lifts up. Overnight it unlatches and lifts up. That's because of the shit I bend in the back there. So I have to find the key. And then I have to close it for it to look better. Fog lights don't work. I bought the unit. I'll bring it with to try and get them to work. Then this water pipe, this pipe here that goes to the bottom, you can see they mended it with a piece of metal pipe, and then at the bottom it goes into the radiator, and you can see wetness, so it seems to be leaking over there. But I'm sure this whole pipe needs to be rubber. If you've got one of those in stock, and then my aircon is not even connected, and it feels like it doesn't turn. So I don't know if you have a spare one for me, and if you can fix it, then my whole job on this arm was not successful. There's a play still on the steering wheel. My springs, these springs, and I don't know if you can check all these bushes. I think the front is good, but these springs needs to be changed. In the back, I'm needing one shock, and I saw this bush inside here is completely stuffed. I don't know how the other bushes looks like. They seem to be okay. They all seem to be okay, but yeah, I need one shock. The springs are still fine. I don't know what this bush looks like. The shock is still good. The spring is still good. My reverse lights don't work. I bought another selector, and yeah, I can't seem to get them to work yet. I met this guy who buying spares for this thing, and he stays out on a plot or something, quite a nice property, and he's breaking up cars, and he seems to know his shit when fixing them. So I am outsourcing my work to this guy. When he's done, I can take the car to Mike to get the body panel straightened and maybe a respray. Stay tuned. I think we managed to fix these wheels. None of them are round. So we've installed the C-classes rims on there. 18, so she went from 17 to 18 to, I think, a little, no, also low profiles. I don't know, guys, what do you think? But on another note, let's get back to that Mini of ours. Ish, guys, this thing has been at the dealership BMW for 2 months, I think, and they've changed what you call it, an intake pipe, which, well, I did it. Hold on. We've changed the intake pipe, they've changed the tappet cover, they've changed the actuator, they've changed 2 sensors. I'm not sure what. I'll get that report from them soon, then we can go through it. They've changed the turbo actuator, and still the engine light comes on. And I'm gonna put in the Carly and see what it comes up with. The update on the SLK and the Mini. I took it somewhere else to get fixed, so I can't show you now. That's it for tonight, guys. Thank you very much for joining. Cheers.